This video will give you an overview of our 2024 summer programs. There will be direct access links shown in this video throughout the talk for your quick access. Unfortunately, since this is a video file and you will not be able to directly click on them, however, you will be able to find the list of the quick links in the descriptions below of this video. So let's get started. Now you will find 4 segments in this video. The first one will consist of the 5 characteristics. The next one will be an overview of all 5 to 8 grade summer programs, followed by the grade 8 to 12. And then last but not least is we will give you a couple of special advanced programs as well. Let's start with the 5 characteristics. Characteristic 1. All our programs are designed to focus on building and fostering continuous growth in robotics and software development skills for all grade 5 to 12. Characteristic 2. Our programs emphasize beyond just memorization and syntax recall in robotics and programming. Instead, our focus is on developing computational thinking skills. This approach not only enhances competitiveness in STEM activities, but also prepares high school students for internship opportunities. Characteristic 3. Our programs are crafted around hands-on, open-ended projects that yield tangible results. Students consistently enjoy applying high-order thinking skills and gradually making them their second nature through engaging activities. Now, characteristic 4, we provide a platform for progressive advancement, ensuring continuous growth towards reaching each student's full potential. We facilitate students to advance from one level to the next, even within the same term or same week. Well, point number 5, our schedule offers flexibility. You can sign up just in the morning, 9 to 12, or the afternoon, 1 to 4, or sign up both. This will allow you significant discounts when signing up for both AM and PM sessions on the same day. For the newcomers to Storming Robots, you will be required to take a brief 45 minutes assessment in spatial and logical reasoning. Alternatively, you can also submit a standardized test result as well. Please visit our application page. You can find that link from our main home page on the top right corner. Our summer programs caters to 2 main groups, grade 5 to 8 and 8 to 12. For grade 5 to 8, the curriculum includes 3 categories: robotic projects from B level to 2, and followed by a special collaborative and challenging face-off week. And also the computer science program emphasizing on programming beyond coding from level B to 1, and a special 5-week competitive programs called Zero Robotics Competition Group. Now for grade 8 to 12, the curriculum comprises 3 main categories. The first one is robotics and electronic projects for level B to 1. Then next is the software development group, and divided in 2 courses. One is the programming with computational thinking, following our successful algorithmic programming tracks during the school year, and range from level B to 4, but for the summertime, we will only offer B to 3. The next one is the Advanced Placement Computer Science A. Now, do note that this is the only program that we offer online during the summer. Next, last one is the third category. It consists of advanced projects programs, which will be discussed in more details in the later segment. Now, let's go into grade 5 to 8. You may choose from robotic projects B to 2, and the next one followed by the face-off challenge week, zero robotic competitions, or the programming beyond coding from level B to 1. Now, first of all, for the robotic projects, now which one you're going to pick? Now, if you are returning students, very simple. You will pick up wherever you left off in the previous term, and then you will continue to advance to reach your full potential, and hopefully that you will reach the level 2, which will automatically gain your eligibility to enter competition group in the fall term. Now, if you're newcomers to the storming robot, then first you will see if you have any experience. If you have none or very little experience or just limited in Lego environment and using blockly programming, you will definitely need to start at level B. Now, even you have some experience in other platforms, then we will ask if you have experience to design with flowchart and using the basic Arduino C programming. Now, if you do not have that background or very little of it, then you should definitely start with level B as well. Otherwise, you can join our level B1. Now, the next question you're going to ask is whether I have or you have the programming experience using the color sensor, distance sensor, and the basic motor control in C and C++ environment. Now, if you are uneasy in it, then you should definitely start with the B and 1, but otherwise you can move on to our level 1 and 2. Next is the C robotic. This is a competition developed by MIT. It offers an unparalleled opportunity for teams to program a NASA satellite in a simulation environment. This offers truly an out-of-the-world opportunity. The final competition will be held aboard the ISS in early August. Team's code will be uploaded onto a physical satellite for competition and refereed by an astronaut. How cool is that? Exciting indeed. Now, to join this group though, and particularly if you are newcomers, then you must meet the prerequisite equivalent to our robotics project level 2 or pass our zero robotic entrance test. Some grade 6 to 8 students who have matched the qualification in storming robots have been invited to join the competition automatically, and others please apply online. Now, again, you will find the application link from the top right corner on our website. Now, next is the computer science with the programming beyond coding. Now, that was introduced back in winter term of 2024. Our program aims to enhance middle schoolers' computer science skills. This is designed to prepare them for potential participation in the American Computer Science Competition League in the junior division. That includes the four, grade 6 to 9, and it fosters the pathway to future success in competitive computer science as well. This summer, we're introducing an exciting phase of Challenge Week. This is a week filled with fun troubleshooting activities. Each day will feature robotics and programming challenges, and we will also facilitate rewards and prizes for achievers. Now, this gives you a summary of grade 5 to 8 workshops with their prerequisites. All require only the 45 minutes assessment test except the zero robotics. If you are currently attending Storming Robots and then reach the level 2, you have been invited to join our competition group in the summer. If you're a new student, you'll be required to pass our zero robotic entrance assessment. Now, let's quickly move on to grade 8. The programs has 3 groups. First one is a software development group from B level to 3. I would like to emphasize this programming course is particularly important as it builds the core foundation leading to all other advanced programs. The second one is robotic and electronic projects from level B to 1. And then the last one is the advanced placement for computer science A. Each course has its own set of prerequisites. Generally, most require level B or level 1 in our algorithmic programming track. Still, please see the syllabus to see the details in each level. Alternatively, you can sign up for a programming test. please do contact us, and then we will help you to sign up for the test at the time that which is convenient to you. Level B for beginners. Usually that's the level that you will start with, and it only requires a 45 minutes assessment test. Okay, do note this track aims to build the core foundations for all of our high school programs, since all of our high school programs heavily focusing on full automation. Strong software development skills is very important. If you are not sure which level after viewing the syllabus, please feel free to contact us and we will arrange a phone call with you to decide the level that best suitable for you. Now, for advanced placement in computer science A, this caters students who are aiming to take the exam in 2025. Now, this is the only online program that we offer during summertime, and majority of students who have reported to us that they all score 5. 5 is the maximum scores in the exam. For robotics and electronic project track, students will engage in robotic projects using a native Arduino C and C++ environment. You should have possessed the programming skill equivalent to our algorithmic programming level 1. Students reaching level 1 will also gain eligibility to join our robotics competition group in the fall term as well. Finally, the last couple of them we need to cover 2 advanced projects. Continuing our tradition as storming robots, at each summer, we offer a couple of advanced projects that integrate mechanics, electronics, and very quite demanding software development skills. These programs are tailored to individuals who possess a deep passion to tinker with robots and delve into software development, but simply lack of time during the school year to fully immerse themselves into these pursuits. Now, the first one is the computer vision course. You will learn to work in the Linux environment on Raspberry Pi. Now, Linux is a ubiquitous platform extensively utilized in college academia and various industries. So this gives you a skill set that highly valuable and versatile. Throughout the course, you will master the basics of Python programming effectively and work with the powerful OpenCV libraries such as NumPy. Computer vision is a very crucial technology that lays the groundwork before diving into the complexity of machine learning. Besides, it is also one major technique that required in a few of our advanced robotics competition as well. Now, here's a link to the 6 minutes video which gives you a glimpse of what computer vision entails. Now, this remote visual control robotics is our new exciting program. In this course, you will delve into remote robot operations. You will build a real robot equipped with onboard sensors and cameras for intelligent navigation, and also a handheld controller embedded with an IMU, so you yourself will write your own controlling software instead of using some embedded library someone else has wrote. You will also gain the knowledge in networking, which targets the communication using Wi-Fi between controllers and enable both unidirectional and bidirectional control. That should be quite interesting experience there. Now, through hands-on projects, you will be able to control the remote robot movements through the live video feeds directly from the robot while it's running. You will gain the experience in real-time visualization of a remote engine path. Here shows the link to our 3.5-minute video, which will give you a glimpse of this course entails. This table summarizes the grade 8 plus programs along with their prerequisites. If you are new to storming robots and think you have met the prerequisites, please contact us so that we can arrange a phone call with you and then assist you to decide which level will best suitable for you. Finally, to conclude this video, we want to point you to the full description description, cost table, and more detailed description online. And let's go to the next page about the savings. Here shows a few scenarios illustrating the savings potential when signing up for our summer programs. On the left, it shows the early bird discount, sibling discount, multi-session discount, as well as referral. And on the right side, it shows you all these different scenarios when you sign up for one single session or multiple sessions, especially if you sign up for AM and PM on the same day, it will give you the most significant discounts. This concludes our talk. Please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for listening.